Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to mute these Instagram notes for specific accounts. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So on your Instagram note, when you go into your DM screen, you'll see all these users who have their notes enabled on their profile picture. So let me show you how to disable them so you do not see other people's Instagram notes. So to do this, you want to first go into search for that contact who you want to disable Instagram note, tap on the username. Next, tap on following, and now tap on mute. Here you want to go ahead and enable notes. So you want to mute notes. So once you mute the note, you won't be able to see this person's Instagram note. So to confirm this, if you go back to your DM window, to your DM screen, and now that person will disappear from your Instagram note section. So there you go. That is how to mute Instagram note on Instagram. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.